everyone, it's time again for some crafting. This time I'm making a little denim vest from the McCall's pattern M7729. My niece wants to cosplay Eddie Munson from Stranger Things. I'm a little bit late on the upkeep on this one, but you know, hey ho, doesn't matter. She hadn't had the costume before and she can have a specially made one rather than just going to buy one like everybody else is doing. I'm going to specially make one, so fingers crossed it's going to fit by the time she's it's finished and she's not managed to outgrow it in the time it takes me. I don't know how long it's going to take me. It shouldn't take me long if I actually focus, but crafty people being crafty people, I could easily get distracted and I might not actually get to finish it. We'll see. I've got some old jeans from a charity shop, which looks like the perfect shade of blue. We're going to chop this up and see how much we can use from this to make the vest. Okay, let's go. So first I get all the pattern pieces out and chop them down to a size 10, which is too big, but I always think it's best to make it too big and make it smaller than to go the other way around. It's a lot harder to make things bigger if you've accidentally cut it too small. So I'm going to cut up the side seams of my denim trousers, cut out the pockets, and so I've got and the waistband. So I've got the flat shapes ready to lay the pattern pieces on. I did video this bit, but the video decided to corrupt itself, so you're going to have to use your imagination a little bit. So I took a couple screenshots from the internet of Eddie's vest so I could take a better look. So I could see the placement of pockets and where the patches and buttons are. The back patch is the main one, it's the main feature in this, so getting that was adamant to this cosplay. Now, I bought the patches off of eBay and I'm placing them as per the pictures I've got on the internet. Minus the Eddie patch from Iron Maiden, I put that on the back by the shoulder because I'd made a small mistake in the pattern cutting process, so that hides that, but you wouldn't know. It was very fun trying to sew around this motorhead one because it's got such an odd shape to it, but we persevered. I've used red satin to line the inside of the jacket, although I think Eddie probably doesn't have a lining in his. This is for comfort. I've added a lining just for it to look a bit neater. As everything, this denim jacket needed pockets. So here I am making all the little shapes to go with the pockets on the front. Because who wouldn't want to store things in pockets? I'm looking at you, fast fashion for females particularly. Why the hell does nothing have decent pockets? It's either got no pockets, pretend pockets, or pockets so small you couldn't fit fuck all in there anyway. What's with that? I know it's probably to save money, but it's goddamn annoying! Now, this video was filmed back in August, and the final piece was finished in October. This was a side project to end all side projects. It was here and there when I had time, and it's taken me this long to get over a bit of seasonal depression and just overall just putting it off and putting it off. I hate doing the audio. I don't like hearing my own voice. So I've been ignoring doing this. So yeah, I do apologize. Bear in mind that this is designed for my 12-year-old niece, but due to privacy and not wanting to put her face all over the internet, my mum kindly tried on the denim so that I could get a picture of how it looks on a person, because you can never really gauge how things look on the floor or on a hanger.